Work first on this side because the wires are longer, so you're going to have, they are longer than these red ones, so we're going to have more space to actually move the heat shrink tubing around. We can just push it backward here while we are working on the other side. So that's why I'm choosing this side. And in order to solder wire, it's going to be always the same procedure. You can put a little bit of paste on the wire, and then watch out for your arm. You put a little bit of copper on the soldering iron, and then you just put a little bit of copper on the end of the wires. So that's ready. And now we'll have to always do it in the same way. So let's hold it this way so that we see the little pins on that side, because if you hold it this way you don't see it. So let's hold it this way and just solder the left one on the left and the right one on the right. We don't need more copper, we just need to basically reheat what you did and just go through it with the wire. And that's it. That's what you want. Something very flat and neat.